Hello guys, to make sabudana's pakora, we all need sabudana, refined oil, green chilies, cumin seeds, coriander leaves and some boiled potatoes. First, we will grate these boiled potatoes like this. See, in this way we have grated all the potatoes. Now we will take a bowl and in this bowl we will add this sabudana. This sabudana I am using which has been soaked for 4 hours. So this is a soaked sabudana. You can see these are soaked, and in this we will add these mashed potatoes. In this we will add cumin seeds, 2 spoon. This is 4 chilies I am using. This is coriander leaves. We will not add salt because this food I am making is for fasting. And now we will just mix it up in this way. See guys, this has been mixed properly. Now we will check it. We will take a dough. We will make a round and just push it like this. Now we can see that this can be prepared. So this is all set. Now we will move on to fry this. Now guys, we will take a dough like this. Just push it like this. You can see how beautifully it has made. And we will pour into oil. In this way we will make more. See guys, this is preparing on a high flame, and remember that do not put so many of dough into this because it may destroy our pakora. So fry it until one side becomes completely brown in color. Then try to flip this, otherwise they will break. In this way, you just fry it and wait for 2 minutes to make it completely brown from one side. See guys, after 2 minutes we will flip it and we can see that this has been done in this way. And we will wait for another 5 minutes to let it fry completely. See guys, this has been fried well. Now we will extract oil from this pakoda. In this way you can see. And now we will take in plate. This another one also. And we will take in plate. Now in this way we will make so many of pakoras. And now time to move on to chutneys, and then we will serve it. For making tomato chutney we all need tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves. And now we will see how to make this tomato chutney for making our pakodi more tasty, as because we are not using salt to prepare. So we will use this chutney to eat it. So let's see how to prepare this tomato chutney. First, put on gas and put a pressure cooker. Let it warm. Now we will add 4 spoon oil. I am using refined oil. You can use ghee. And now see how to cut tomatoes. Because we have to peel off, so we will cut in this way, criss-cross, and then we will put it into cooker. In this way we will do with another one also. Now we will add green chilies to this and we'll cover this with a lid and we will wait for 1 whistle, and after then we will open it. So guys, it has given 1 whistle and now we will open the lid. Now you can see our tomato has done. Now we will take out to the grinder in this way and we will grind it. See guys, this has been grinded and now we will pour it into this. And we will mix up this coriander leaves. See guys, this chutney has been done well. And now we will make another chutney. To make badam chutney, that is peanuts, we will need this peanut, fresh coriander leaves and some green chilies. Now we will take a grinder and add our peanuts, these coriander leaves and green chilies, and we will again grind it. Add some water also. Now guys, see, this has been done. We will took out this also from a bowl. Now guys, see, our peanuts chutney is now been ready. Now we will prepare potatoes halwa. You can also add lime juice to this, as because we are not using salt, and just stir it well in this way. And now see, it has been ready. See guys, for making aloo ka halwa, you mean potatoes halwa, we all need grated potatoes, elaichi, some cashew nuts and some pista badam, sugar and ghee. Let's see how to prepare this. So guys, on a high flame, first we will pour 1 bowl ghee. In this way, and then we will add potatoes. I am using 5 potatoes. You can use according to your choice. And we'll add this elaichi. And we'll add 1 bowl of sugar in it. And then mix it well. See guys, mix it well and now fry it for half an hour like this until it turns its color into completely brown. Now guys, see, after 10 minutes we will add 1 more cup of sugar like this and stir it well. Fry it for 20 minutes until the color completely change. We can see here the color is changing in this way, and now we have to turn the whole potatoes in brown in color. So fry it till then. Now guys, see, this halwa is now ready to serve. Now took out into a serving plate. Now guys, we will decorate it with some dry fruits like this, in this way. See guys, now this sabudana ka pakoda with halwa, with our peanuts chutney and with our tomato chutney is now ready. This is a complete meal one can have during fasting. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Stay connected.